Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you are here. I hope you will enjoy, and I will start by printing. So enjoy.
Oh, wow, look at that. I really am impressed with this page. This is page 4 of the design. And also I'm happy because the text is really going the right direction. So I forgot to watch for that. To look out for that. I forgot it. So look at those colors. Wow. I love it. Oh wow, it's so cool. Look at that design together. That's what I saw. I also want to try this design with another one that she has, but I will show you when I'm on my desk. Hello, this is Arrabella. I had to turn on the lights. From Arabella's Heart for Book Art. Welcome to my channel. I have such wonderful news. So I was following an event on Instagram that was called Pastor Brush, and I thought this is so cool what they are doing, and I wanted to just watch who was participating, and did I already knew them on through Instagram. So then my eye catched really beautiful books, and those books belong to Tonya Samuels, and she is called Design Craft Fabulous. And I really love her look. I love the vintage look that she, and sort of a vintagey nature designs. And so we connected through this, and we ended up swapping listings. And I decided to ask her what she would feel like if I would put her designs together with one of my designs that's called Papillon, and that is a butterfly in the shape of a book. At least that's how I intended it to be. And I was really looking for a really good design to go with it, and wanted to work together with a talented lady or man. That could also be possible, of course, but I found a lady, and her name is Tonya Samuels. So I checked out her Linktree, and I found her Etsy, and then I saw the most beautiful listings I ever saw. So my eye was catching In the Garden, and also that's what I chose eventually to use for this. And I also want to mention a few of the other listings that really catched my eye. So In the Garden, then Pale Beauty, Nature's Beauty, Vintage Allure, Pink Romance, and Aloha's Flourish. And actually, when I got these from her, I sent her also a few of my listings that she liked. So we didn't, yeah, it was a swap. So that's really so cool. This is so positive, and I really enjoyed the pastel brush and want to really emphasize that what they did with pastel brush is highlight they wanted to put a spotlight onto them in a really cool way, if I can say it like that. So that's a little bit about that, and I want to show you how this looks now and what I will make with it. So all you see in this, and I chose two listings. Well, I chose. Yes, I chose, and she sent them to me. In the Garden and Nature's Beauty. If I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, I will gladly hear it. I will show you what I printed out so far. And also I had a little bit of a hiccup with my printer, so it printed a little bit green at first, but this is the original color that you see here. But I did kept it because I did like the effect that it gave, and yeah, it's just a little bit of wasteful, don't you think? So I will keep it, but I have a little bit of detail about my Papillon design. I have 4 sizes, and I want to make from small to large. So, but you will see it when I make it. So this is one of the sizes, and I have extra sort of journaling cards to go with it. And this really is so pretty. I really love the combination of both of our designs in this, and that is also the reason why I chose this, because the flowers and the colors, this is really not intended. I wanted this to come over here or this to come over here, so I had to choose which way I'm going to print, right? And it really was a little bit of trying. So I will use this side, so everything I'm cutting off I will use. And I also chose for the back, I chose the other one. Let me get my notes for this. So for the most part I chose In the Garden, but this is from the Nature's Beauty, so I chose one of the pages from that kit to go on the back side of this one. And I did use watercolor paper because I really love this idea that you can print only the lines and then fill in with your own artwork. So that is my way of working. So I'm printing and designing from physical, and then I make it to digital, and then also make something physical again. So this one has a broader bodice, so to speak. I have a little bit of a lighter edge, and this also really works really well. Even though the text is now like this, that's okay. And here 2 journaling cards, also in a butterfly shape. So I have to do a lot of fussy cutting for this, but this one came out really too green. But I printed over it, but it wasn't really how I wanted it to be. So I will, for reference, I will get the right colors so that you really know how the original looks like. So this is the original one, and my printer was a little bit low on pink and magenta. That was it, so you can see the difference, but I wanted to keep it because, yeah, this is the spine, and I tried printing over. And for the covers I chose this design. So on the back, I don't think you can see through it now, no, but on the back there is a large cover, and I chose to print it on the other side for this. I could have chosen this side, and that would have been really cool as well, so you would have then saw this, but because these are covers, so I will make these a little bit more sturdy. But I will keep it like this, or print again here and then stick the sturdiness on that side. But I will see how I will do it. I will come up with a really cool plan to do that. So So this is really cool because this is the front cover and the large flower is exactly where I want it to be. So I don't know if it's, you see it shining through a little bit? Yeah, a little bit it's shining through. So I didn't really plan it like that, but it, yeah, I really am happy that it came out that way. So in hindsight, and also chose this one. So this is also from, I have to look up at my papers, I'm so sorry. In the garden, so this is also in the garden. And I chose two of the same for this, so I will divide that within the book. And for the back side I chose this page. Really cool. Here you also see the real true colors. So when I swapped my inks, I refreshed my inks for the printer, you really see the purplish color for the flowers, and this is really soft. And this one I did the same, so I had that the same. So this is how they look. I wanted to show you how that looked. So only with the edge onto watercolor paper. And I went through my stash and I found this. I think this was inside a Happiness, or I will look it up, something like that, a magazine. And I really love this. I think this will really complement the paper. Perhaps for the inside of the covers, I was thinking about doing that. So let me find the cover so you can see. So this will be on the outside and this then will be on the inside. So the feel of this paper and the nature that's on it, I really love that. So now I wanted to talk, this is something from my stash also. This is my childhood, favorite childhood book. So that I made it into a design so I could use that as well. So this is it. I hope you like it. This is the introduction of my project. I had to think about that. And what I wanted to tell you is that I will be making a start on this project before I finish the one that I'm working on now. So I don't want to confuse anyone. Normally I would wait until my project is fully done and then I will start the new one. But I didn't want to leave Tonya waiting for so long, and I don't know what my health is going to do. So it could be that I will get sick again for a couple of weeks, and then yeah, now's the time, right? So I wanted to do it now so I can keep my promise as well. So I'm really excited to be part of your team, and I hope I won't disappoint you. I will do the best that I can. So but I really want to let you know that I'm so excited and I'm really honored to be in your design team as a guest, and I will really try the best that I can and make something really pretty. This will be a junk journal book, and I will show you how to make your own junk journal book with a shape, but you can also of course choose only her designs and make straight pages, and I will also give you tips to do that, and will refer you to her own channel of course. So I will put her channel in the description box down below, and also put her name up on the screen so you know exactly where you have to be for her YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you will be excited, as much excited as I am for this, about this. So I will see you in the next video, and I will let you know through Instagram. So Be sure to check me out on Instagram, and I will do an announcement when I will release the next video, and we'll start this beautiful vintage book with Tonya's really pretty designs, and then with my shape. So that's really a good combination, don't you think? Okay, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Doei, doei.